Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So this is, remember in the last video when I was telling you I didn't know what to fix and I needed to pull the chicken out? So this is that night. This is the chicken Alfredo. So I did decide to make it. I remembered to pull the chicken out. I'm down here in the new space, right, in the basement. And I'm just down here. I've been on my Harry Potter kick. Oh my goodness. I don't know why. I kind of know why, but yeah, I've been like rewatching all of the Harry Potters, right? And now this is all making me want to go back to making me want to go back to Universal. Oh my goodness, that was a really good time. So we did that for Hubby's 50th. So that was fire. But yeah, I'm on Goblet of Fire now. So what's that, the fourth one? So yeah, I've been enjoying it, and I'm listening to the audiobook too because I wanted to see what the difference was. You know what I mean? Like how different it was. But if you are a Harry Potter fan, what house are you? I'm curious. I think I'm Hufflepuff. I think I might be Hufflepuff. But yeah, girl, so doing this chicken, right, I use some of the seasonings, my staples. Adobo, right, is always rocking. And I use that Weber, I think it was, the kicking chicken or something, right? Had a little kick to it, right? So I threw that in there, the little tiny bottle. And then that Nashville one, so it definitely had a little kick to it. It was so good. And I'm using Emerald Lagasse, right? I had some of that pasta in the pantry. So I'm just using a half a bag of that, right? Getting it in that salted water. And yeah, and I just used a jar of the Alfredo, and I threw some of the same seasonings in there, right? That I use for the chicken. So everything is kind of married together, right? So yeah, it was pretty good.
Tastes different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Girl, I'm moving from pot to pan to pot. It's a whole thing going on. Yes, on that. But this was so quick and fast. I need the quick and fast, right? So you know me, right in the middle of everything, I have to kind of wipe things down. So I can't wait until the end to do all the things, to wash all the dishes. When I sit down to eat, there is nothing left for me to do in my kitchen except rinse off my plate and put it in the dishwasher. I have nothing in my sink. My stove is clear. It is just, I'm tired after I eat. And most of the time, hubby and I are watching a show and the show is still on. So now I'm lazy. I don't want to have to get up and do all the things, right? So I mixed the chicken pour it right on into that Alfredo, right? So that's all good, soaking that up. Yeah, it was good too, girl. Oh my goodness. So you see the pasta about to boil over. Girl. So you'll see Kara in a few minutes. She wanted me to take my earrings out, please. Take my scrunchie out, please. That's what she says. So that's what I was doing. I'm like, darn it, now I got to go wash my hands again. So yeah, but she just wanted that. She does not like, she needs to be like ears naked, right? She don't want none of that stuff in her hair or anything. Here I go cleaning again. So, she likes to be really comfortable, especially before she eats. She's so funny. But yeah, I am mad at it, girl. So Yeah, still stirring everything up, right? I left a little bit of, when I poured that chicken into the Alfredo, I left a little bit of juice, oil or seasoning in there so I could pour it over the pasta. This pasta perfection from Dollar Tree is fire. And I always throw a pat of butter in there, right? It was so good. Oh my goodness. I sprinkled some Parmesan cheese on the top. And I had enough for lunch right through that in my Eagles container from the Dollar Tree. I was good to go. But now, date night, right, for me and hubby. So we are downtown Philadelphia, right? And yeah, we wanted to check out this new restaurant, K&K Kitchen and Cocktails, and it's been open about 2 weeks now. It is a Black-owned restaurant. And it is in the heart of our city. So it was really nice. It was really, I guess because it's so new, everybody's trying to get in there. And it was kind of hard, but we got in, right? So it was perfect. They have that open kitchen. I know there's one in DC. I feel like maybe ATL, Chi-Town. I feel like, I don't know where else, but now Philly is rocking. So yes on that. And me and hubby, we enjoyed it so much. That was double eggs with some shrimp. This was like sweet potatoes, collard greens, and mac and cheese and an egg roll. Girl, I had the catfish and the grits, and I had enough for, me to take home. Hubby just had some fried chicken and some mac and cheese. We had some cornbread, right? And we took home some banana pudding because I was so full. Oh my goodness. Oh, you know what? I forgot to show you what I started out with. Let me get that in here quick and fast, right? Hubby is just wrapping that up for me. Yes. And there's that banana pudding. He got it going on. So we're just getting ready to read. I guess we can't read, and I know we have one, Pete the Cat Halloween. We probably can't read that until tomorrow. Do we have a Halloween, Pete the Cat?
Yes.
Can we read that one? Oh, she's going to get it. Oh, my goodness. So she has her clothes all set out. You know how she rocks. She don't mess around. So this is what she wearing tomorrow. Yes on that.
5 little pumpkins.
Oh, 5 little pumpkins. So we'll read it tonight and tomorrow.
Yes.
For Halloweeny. Yes. So isn't it so cute? Just something, they don't really rock the costumes anymore, but we want to be Halloweeny. So yes on that. I'm surprised. She said yes. She probably forgot she had it. So yeah. So the Podzilla is here to pick up the pod. Ugh, oh my goodness. I had to move my car. Actually, hubby and Sydney ran some errands. So yeah, I think he's going to have to turn that a little bit to get it in. Oh my goodness. And he's like right on the tree. Girl, that thing, Oh, that's pretty wild how they do it. They actually extended the sides. Oh, he pulled the whole truck out. Girl, I wasn't here when they dropped it off. That's crazy. So the whole machine part, I guess, where the pod sits, and he's coming back. It's a whole thing. Okay, wow. I am glad to see it go, though. Oh, okay. So they move it. This is a whole thing. Wow. Okay, so he maneuvered the Podzilla. It's funny that they call it that in there. It was a whole situation. I was wondering how. Like, I just thought that it was too rigid for them to get it in, but that's how they do it. Wow. It's a whole thing. I was fascinated. I just wanted to share it with you. So they did open it a little bit. I don't know why, but he is working it down there. All right, you guys, I just wanted to share the experience with you in case you didn't know how the pods work, right? The drop off and the pickup. And look at her, she Pearl. Nosy. She's so nosy. It doesn't matter. Whatever window she can have access to. She need to see what is going on. Hey guys, I'm in my closet. So remember the Glenda and the Alfaba perfume, right, that I showed you in the last video? So I said I was going to share it with the girls. I just meant that I was going to put them both in the Disney Beauty room and we could just spritz away every day, right? Because we're in there every single day. Girl, why did I find these little atomizers at Dollar Tree? Oh my goodness. That's perfect. You see the liquid in there? I already filled this one up. Kara has hers in her room. I wanted to show you Sydney's. So I let them sit on top of a napkin for a little bit because I wanted to make sure they did not drip because they came from Dollar Tree. So I'm still in the back of my mind like, I don't know. And I'm not going to be upset if it doesn't work out, but I was really hoping they would, especially with this emerald green. Oh my goodness. I am all about it. So this one is for Sydney. I use this scent. I like that scent better for both of them, actually. And I've been rocking both of these yes on that. So I'm going to fill this one and this one, right, with these two for me. So yes. Hey guys. Oh, Hershey Pearl. She must be upstairs with Kara. So all the Halloween is put away. Yes on that. So we are just back to right the beginning of the fall season. These things were mixed in with the Halloween, so it wasn't hard for me to just pull them back. It was just putting away all that stuff. So yeah, the ghost ladder, everything's gone. Oh my goodness. So yes, on the bookcase, I just kept the Wizard of Oz here. Remember, it was all on the third shelf, so I just spread it out. That way it would take up all the shelves on the bookcase. But yeah, this is a big part of our lives, the Wizard of Oz. It plays a big part in Sydney's life and just her communication and all the things. So this will always hold a special place in my heart. And the fact that Wicked is coming out this month, right? November 21st. So yeah, this is a big deal for us. So I just, I kept it here for a little while longer. I just put the big pumpkin back, right? I moved the squirrels back to the end tables. So yeah, just something to hold me over, right? And we are good to go in here. Again, just holding me over until this becomes the Disney dining room, right? Yes on that. And flowing right on into the kitchen and keeping it light in here, right? So still rocking the centerpiece. It's just a little bit smaller. I have my stove cover, which I need to find a pretty one for Christmas. And yeah, I'm still rocking, the table runner for the island. But just a week or so for me to get my thoughts together because this is still going to be the gingerbread kitchen. So I'm excited. And I just switched out the candy over here. Remember, it was candy corn. So I just pulled this back down just to hold me over. But yeah, so this is how it's rocking. Oh, I grabbed this from Target. It was on clearance. It's a candle. It doesn't smell like anything, but it looks like fake food to me. So I'm all about it. So yeah, let's go downstairs real quick. And this is how it's going to flow over here, down here in the new space, right? Simple. I took all the Halloween decor down and I just took it back to the beginning of the season to hold me over for the next 1 to 2 weeks until I can get my thoughts together on how I wanted to flow for Christmas. But yeah, we all about the football, right? So I thought that was appropriate to hold me over. So yeah. All right, you guys, I will see you. I don't know if I'm going to see you midweek or next Sunday, but I'll see you soon. Bye.